dwi'n hoffi, natur a'r hanes, de. A dwi wedi flasu manywydan reit aml yn deitha fo hanes gwahanol bethau. Quite often when I go for walks, I bought socks off manywydan because I talk about the history and the nature, t'go. Ond pryd ydych chi'n mynd am dro a mae'n dod i mis Awst, in August time there onward, mae'n gwybod bach yn dod allan dydy, the midges come out, they're a pain. So y planhigion beth eisiau, y prif a'i blaen. Ydy'r goedan fach yma, mae e jyst yn dod i blwdo rwan. Helygen fair, okay? Helyg, willow, so Mary's willow yn Welsh, bog myrtle yn Saesneg. Yeah? A mae yna ogla pendigedig, dwi'n meddwl. O, na chi. Mae'r hen dwnnel, the old tunnel, yeah? That they used to take you through the little mountainside on the side and out, but now it goes round, But previous to that, even, to the right, the track that you follow going down towards Dewch, to the Bolch, yeah? Used to be, mae'n dyn fath a pulley system. So there used to be a little dam that side, they'd fill it with water so they would pull the trucks up. So cantilever. Cantilever, yes. So the technology here, all around the ages is quite fascinating. And ar y blaen hefyd, da. Very much so ar y blaen on the front of things, the head of the places. I think the last couple of generations that lived here, might be wrong, but thereabouts, the father got killed in the quarry, but the son tried to start mining the mountain behind us. And the Llyn mines behind us for Mangon zinc mines, the ones that you pass when you do the little path that goes over the hillside here. But further back, there's the quarry mines for the slate mines, and it's interesting because the Rothschild family, they bought the rights for the quarry at the back here, and they built a cracking road from Croesan, a lyfli o Daith, yn dod drosodd I chwaral Llyn. Different feathers of the different tips of the ankles at the top tell you if the flight wings or the grace. That's not so sweet. This is the sweet bit. That's going to kill it.
Oh wow! And what's that good for?
It's just nice.
Just okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nature sweets. It's a lovely thing, one day. Da chi eisiau dechrau hel, you need to start gathering. As the tips start growing, fel mae penna yn dechrau tyfu.
Yeah.
If you start gathering these once they lose the brown covering. So you've got the fresh leaves coming through, a dail fresh and dod trwad. Have a smell of that now.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, diolch yn fawr. But it's really nice if you make jam, rhubarb and pine needle jam.